Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ovi's Culture. Today I'll be taking you on how to cut this asymmetric peplum. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget also to press the notification bell. In case I upload a new video, you will be notified. Don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up. Keep watching. Good day everyone, today I'll be taking you on how to cut the asymmetric peplum. It's not the usual type of peplum, it's a different type of peplum. So what we need for this tutorial is our fabric, our lining, then our bias. So let's get started. We'll be using this fabric, you can see. You fold it again. What I just did here, I measured 19. The length is 19. You can see. Let me just do so you will understand. This is our fabric. So I measured 19 as the length. Then from here, just cover it up. So I want all the sides, all the four sides to be 19. You can see all the four sides, I want them to be 19. Make them equal. Make them equal. Then you fold again. You fold again. You see the four sides. Now we have the four sides, 19, 19, 19, and 19. The waist measurement I'm using for this tutorial is 30. When you divide 30 by 6.28, we have 4.7. That will be our radius. But I'm not using 4.7 because I'm going to pleat this. I will pleat it, so I will add excess. I'll be using 10 as my radius, and the length of my peplum is 9. So I will take my radius here, which is 10, because I'm going to pleat it very well. I want it to be excess. So just mark 10 round. See what I'm doing. Then you take the length of our peplum. The length is 9. The length of our peplum is 9. Just mark your 9 round. Mark your 9 round. You see, 10, then 9 as the length. So just watch me. I'm going to cut these out. Don't need this anymore. Then what we'll be doing now, you will count 1, 2, and 3. So we are cutting these 3 out. Then we'll be left with this single one. Cut 3, count 3, and cut out. Then leave this last one. This is how to cut your asymmetric peplum. You see what I just did? So I told you, you cut out 3 and you leave this 1. So you flip it to the back like this. Then from this edge, you draw a straight line. Make sure it's straight. Okay. So I told you, you draw a straight line from this sharp edge. You can see. So this is what our, this is how to cut our symmetric peplum. So what we are going to do now, this is it. This is our line that we marked earlier. You can see. So we are going to fold them together like this. Make sure. Just fold it together like this. You can see now. Then this is our center front, you notch. This is our center back, you what? You notch. You see what I'm doing now? Then you open it up again. Then what we are going to do now, please don't forget, as you have notched your center back, you have notched your center back, you also give it a straight line. You give it a straight line too. Then you open up. You open up, this is what we have. You can see it clearly. I told you the length of our peplum is 9. So we are going to make this side of our peplum equal. We're going to make it equal. By marking that what? 9. Mark that 9. Until you get to the what? Equal part. You can see. You can see what I'm doing now. So you mark that 9 till you get to that equal part. Then you open up your center front. You cut this out. You can see what we have. Then you open your center back. You can see it now. This is what we have. We have 2. We have 2 of this now. So what we'll be doing now, we'll cut my lining exactly as this. My gum stain, my art stay. You can put your art stay if you like. So I'll be cutting my lining exactly as this. I will turn it with my lining and show you what next to do. Place your lining like this. And what? Cut out. So this is it. So we'll do it for the other one. Okay, you place your fabric on top of your gum stain or your art stain. You also cut out. I've ironed my gum stain on it. You can see. So I will turn it with my lining and tell you what next to do. So this is it. Particular one with my lining, but I left this one first. I'll tell you how to do it. So what we'll be doing now, you get your bias, then you just sew. You sew your bias from this edge, you sew it round. So I'll do that now, and I'll show you what next to do. You see, I've sewn my bias round, the smaller one. So what we'll be doing next, I will turn it to this side. You can see what I'm doing now. Turn it like this. I will turn it with my other lining. Place my lining like this, and just go to your machine now, and you sew. You sew till the end. Hope you understand. You can see I have turned it with my lining. You see the way it's looking now. So the next thing to do, you take your bias, then you sew. Then you sew round. Sew it round the other peplum. So I'll just do that now. You make this edge sharp. You can sharpen it with your scissors and sew. Then you sew again round. So I'll do that now and show you. Now fix it to your half length. That's all. You can see I have attached my bias across the lower part of my peplum. I just attached it round up to this place. You can see. So I've also turned it with my lining. I've turned both of them with my lining. You can see. Right now, I'll prepare my half length and attach my asymmetric peplum to my half length. After that, I'll show you the result. It's so easy. This is it. This is the result of our asymmetric peplum. So beautiful and lovely. This is it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.